Hello guys, now we are going to continue with our tutorials, and this is part 18 of how to create social media website like Facebook. If this is your first time, I would advise you to locate the intro video or start from part 1 and follow along, and you'll be able to create this amazing website. Now, my name is Amakwenes. I'm the founder of Ereda Digitals and Ereda Host. Ereda Digitals is all about web designing. We design professional websites for companies, for big companies, and Ereda Host is our official web hosting platform. You can go there and get an affordable web hosting plan for your website. Okay, and also let me introduce this to you. When you go to our web hosting platform, that is Ereda Host, we have a nice package that I want to show to everyone watching this video. Okay, when you come to our web hosting platform, that is Ereda Host, the link is below this video. Okay, we have web design. Okay, so we are offering a free web design services, and that is if you come here, let's say someone need a website. Let's say it may happen that you are not expert in designing a professional website. You can just put your advert out there. So when you get a contract, all that you need to do is you can charge the person around 2,000, 1,500. The least price is supposed to be somewhere 1,500 or 2,000 or even 3,000. Good. Now all that you need to do is just come here. Okay, it's a free. When you read through it, it says that do you need a professional website so that e-commerce business any type? Just subscribe to the package below. So just go down here and we have a special package, free web design hosting. Okay, so this package comes with free domain and the price is, why I can't see the price, no problem, but the price is 500. Okay, let me refresh the page again. It's 500. So that with that 500 you get a free web design and a free hosting and a free domain. Okay, just 500 Ghana cedis. Pay for that. Let me take you to the platform. When you click that, that's where you will see that. Okay, it's just 500 Ghana cedis. You'll be able to get domain and everything for free. Okay, good. So subscribe to this package and get a free website for your client. Okay, it's the best so far. Now let us continue. Let me remove this. Good. So right now let's go to backend and go to dashboard. Now we are going to look at how to add the that is the point system as we have it here. Okay, so let's go here and go to plugins, add new. Okay, so over here just enter my crude. Okay, so just enter this MYCRED. Okay, this is the one that we are looking for. Click install. Let me see, there's another one. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so my create BuddyBoss integration, select this one too. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, so we also have this create Twitter LMS is very important. Make sure you add that. Okay, so in fact we have added all the important plugins that I need in order to add a point system. So let's go back to plugins, install plugins. Okay, so over here we can select all of them and activate it. Okay, so I will come here and select activate and click apply, and now it's working. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, good. So it's successful. As you can see, it has been added. So we are going to, it says we should activate it. Click here. Okay, so allow and continue. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So we are here. Good. Let me clean that. So the title is point system. You want to have the title as point system. If you want to change it, you can just add something to it. I made mine radar points. Okay, and then the prover is radar points. Okay, then after that, if you want to change the icon, you can go ahead and do it. Okay, this is the default icon, and now you can just click here to update it. Okay, so let me go down. See, so you see it has been saved now. Let me go down here and go to management. Okay, so over here, let's leave it and go to optimize. And there's nothing to do here. Ranking, we don't have ranking yet. Okay, so statistics, you can change the color, and this one, the color is okay. So what color am I using? Okay, so let me go with this. Oh, come on, it's not that beautiful. Okay, so I like this color, and this one we can make it hash FF0066. Okay, good. And now I can update the settings. Okay, so we are done here. Let me close that, and now we are done with all the what we need to do. Now let's go to hook, or let me see. Okay, so the point system, and let's see. So let's go to general settings. So point type, point type. Okay, so we don't need that. Uninstall, so let's leave it. Open badge. Okay, so here it says WordPress. WordPress and BuddyBoss are in the same family, so WordPress settings can be used on BuddyBoss. Okay, so enable radar points balance. Okay, so yes, in profile radar points history in profile. Okay, good. Okay, so make it says members and visitors can view others view other member radar points balance. Okay, so if you check it, they'll be able to see that. Let's go to badge. We are not going to add any badge now, maybe in future. So cache crewed. Okay, this is a settings. When you enable it, it means that members will be able to convert their crew points to cash. And if you want to pay them with cash by buying the points from them, that is good. Email notification, so you can set up your email platform, and mine is okay. To be honest, it's okay. Now let us continue. And the next one is what? Pending payment. We don't have any pending payment. Okay, so there's nothing here. Okay, so let's look at cache crewed gateway. Okay, so here, this is where you'll be able to accept payment. Okay, good. Sorry. Okay, so you can accept payment. You can just go through bank transfer. Okay, and that is, you can let your students buy a point from you, as I have here. So when you go down, when I go up here, I have this here, which means that my student can buy points from me. For instance, if I want to buy a point like 5,000 and click buy now, it's downloading, and I'm supposed to pay 25 Ghana cedis for 5,000 points. I can click continue, and this is the my transaction ID. I can just click here to make payments, and I'll be redirected to Paystack, where I can make payment, and after that I will be brought back here. Okay, good. So we are now going to add the point system. Okay, let's go down here, and over here, as I said, if you want to sell points to your students, you can do that. Okay, good. And I will save it here. Okay, so let's go down here and let's see. There's a lot to do here. Let me say thank you for watching. I think I'm tired. I need to go to bed. It's around 12 o'clock here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.